Hi everyone, here's step-by-step guide how to create a Ronin wallet account on your phone. So first of all, install Ronin wallet application on your phone, then find that on your phone and tap on that. And now you can tap on create a new wallet account. Tap on that. Now you can see that you can tap on continue with recovery phrase, continue with email, or you can create with Apple, Google, and Facebook. I prefer using continue with recovery phrase. Then Ronin wallet offer me enable a biometric authentication. Okay, enable. Allow. Now I'm gonna tap on continue. Tap on done button. Now you can backup your wallet, backup it manually, and just make a screenshot or copy to clipboard your security recovery phrase, and then tap on I understand, continue, either, and as you can see, manual backup completed. Tap on view wallet, and that's it. I hope it helps. Please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. And also you can watch this new video or this playlist about Ronin wallet account. See you next time.